Hi guys. Today our lesson is on plagiarism and citation. Those are really big words that we haven't really heard in our classroom. But since we're starting our research unit, I thought this would be a very good lesson for us to have. Our learning objective today, guys, is students will learn what plagiarism is and how to cite others' work correctly. Um, we will also learn why we use citations. Uh, Plagiarism is using someone else's work and claiming it as your own. As we start our research writing, it's important for you guys to know how to find reliable information. That's a very important part of this, but also how to correctly use that information in your writing and give credit to the owner of the information that you're putting in your research. Think how you would feel if you wrote a paper or created a website and your classmate took credit for that and claimed it as theirs. How upset would you be? So it's important that we understand how serious plagiarism is. You will be using citations throughout your middle school and high school education and college, plus into your career. To cite someone's work means that you put their name in your research for the information you have used to give them credit. There are very serious consequences for plagiarizing someone else's work. You can fail the assignment. You can be removed from class. You can be asked to leave the college. You can be put on probation. You can even lose your job um, because plagiarism is essentially stealing work of someone else. Today, I'm going to show you some resources that will show you how to avoid plagiarism and the correct way to use citations. The first one we have here is Plagiarism for Kids. It's a great website for you guys to go to, and it gives you the types of plagiarism. Direct plagiarism, self-plagiarism. If you just change a few words in someone's work, that's plagiarism. You can't do that. You have to give them, you can change the words, but you have to give them credit. Also, we have a YouTube video here, in-text citation for beginners. This video will help you understand how you want to do your citations and when you need to use them. We have citation guides from Common Sense Education, and they will show you a guide that will tell you exactly how to use those citations. If you're confused about what is plagiarism and citation, we have another YouTube video that will tell you. Was written by the So if you click on this, you will get a full video on what plagiarism, it will explain what plagiarism is and citation. We also have citation tools for you guys to use. You can plug the information into one of these bibliography tools like EasyBib or RefWorks or EndNote. And if you put all the information from what you are reading, it will give you a citation to put in your paper, and so that you give credit to the person whose work you're using in your research paper. Also, 5K Learning. This is a great site for you guys to go to, and it's the ways to avoid plagiarism. You want to avoid plagiarism at all costs. So there are 6 top ways to avoid them. You can click on this website, and it will inform you to start with specific questions, to take point form notes. Do not use more than any 5 words in a row from any source without quotation marks. And it gives you all the ways to avoid plagiarism. Also, I think you guys probably would get confused between paraphrasing, which we've talked about, and summarizing, which we've learned, and direct quoting. This YouTube video here will explain all 3 of those things to you so that you know exactly what each one is and how to use them in your research. I have an article here that teaches you how to paraphrase without plagiarism, um, using RRLC, read, reread, list, and compose. Sometimes when you're paraphrasing, you have to give credit to the person you're paraphrasing. So you need to be very careful about that. Um, and then when you guys finally do go into your groups, if you would, you can do this vocabulary vocab game. And there's a video there, but these are vocab words for vocabulary that you need to know about plagiarism. So you guys, I also want to give you a little discussion question to talk about in your groups. What is the difference between paraphrasing and a direct quote? You will clearly need to access these resources in order to be able to discuss that question in your groups. So I'm going to release you guys to go to your groups, and hopefully I've given you enough information here that when you are doing your research paper, you will be using the information you find ethically and reproducing others' work with citations.